Hello YouTubers, in this video I'm going to show you 3 different options to connect Bluetooth audio to a Ferrari factory stereo. Hello YouTubers, my name is Seb, this is Seb's Supercar, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 different options to connect Bluetooth audio to your factory Ferrari stereo. And stay tuned right to the end because I have an added bonus surprise. I've actually covered the first option already in another video of mine, which is a compatible Bluetooth receiver. And this will connect directly to your Ferrari Becker stereo using the auxiliary inputs. So check out my comments and you'll see a link to the video on how I do that. This is very straightforward. You can stream your Bluetooth audio from your iPhone or Android device straight through your Becker factory Ferrari stereo using the auxiliary input. So check out that video to see how you do that. This is really inexpensive. It gives you music in your Ferrari, and this was about $29 found on Amazon. Okay, the second option is called a Yatour Bluetooth car adapter. So I found this one from a tip from another Ferrari 360 owner. So this connects the very same way as the first device. It's got the OEM connectors to your Becker factory Ferrari stereo using the auxiliary inputs, just like the other device I just showed you. This was a little bit more money, cost $80 on Amazon. Took a little longer to get because I think it actually shipped from Asia and comes with the microphone input. So this will give you true hands-free calling, and you can also stream your audio music as you like. So you can take calls that will be interrupting your music, just like a modern hands-free calling audio device in a modern car. So I'm actually wearing the third option. These are the Bose smart sunglasses. So these connect through Bluetooth on your iOS or Android device. And I love these because they give you sunglass protection, which I'm usually wearing when I'm driving my Ferrari anyway. And there's no modification required, no connections to your factory stereo. So if you didn't want to pull it out and make that connection like the other 2 options, these are terrific. I use them anyway. So the beauty of these is I usually like to listen to the engine of my Ferrari 360. It allows me to do that. And if there's a call, I can take them just by tapping on my sunglasses, speak to someone while I'm driving completely uninterrupted. I don't have to push any special buttons and end the call and continue with my wonderful drive. The battery in these things lasts an incredible amount of time. I get more than a full season off of one charge. I only charge it at the beginning of the season, and literally it lasts through my entire summer. These are fantastic, and I highly recommend for someone that doesn't want to add any devices and alter the look of their Ferrari factory stereo. Finally, I promised you a surprise at the end. So this is a remote Bluetooth controller. So what this allows you to do is to answer your phone or select the next song, start your music without having to reach over for your phone. So I saw this from someone else that had a Ferrari 360. It comes with a ring clip, and you can clip this right onto the steering wheel. So if you don't like the look of it, you can take it off, and when you go for a drive, you can quickly just clip it on, control your music, answer your phone. And this was really inexpensive, about $29. I'll put the link in my comments below. Now I'm in my Ferrari 360 and I've got the Bluetooth receiver installed already, connected to the back of my Ferrari Becker radio. And I've run the microphone that came with it underneath the dash over to the left side, just underneath the switch cluster that's on the left. It's black colored, so it's practically invisible, especially to anyone sitting in the passenger seat. And now it's just a matter of testing it all. I've already connected the Bluetooth to it. I've got my remote, which, as I said, can clip to your steering wheel if you like while you're driving. But my son suggested to install it just on the parking brake, which I actually prefer. It's out of the way, can't see it. So now it's just a matter of
connected.
We're now connected. I can control volume from the remote. I can skip songs. But most importantly, I can receive calls. Calling myself from my home phone. It's ringing through the system. I can answer it on the remote just by pushing the call answer button. Hello? There I am, I'm connected to it. And I can hang up on the remote and go back to music. A little bit of Prince there. And that's it. That's the end of the video, folks. I hope you got some benefit out of this. I really enjoy learning from other people who have similar car to mine. So I hope I can pass some of those learnings along to you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. That really helps us. And stay tuned for more content from Seb's Supercar. Bye-bye.